16 locked and loaded. All fear has been aborted. You say the words and my weapon is drawn.
Halo guys, balik lagi bersama gua Raga Putra dan sama teman gua yang di Alamsyah, dan dia menantang adu challenge guys, buat nantangin gue makan bang. Nih, lu bisa lihat nih ya bon cabenya. Nih, lu juga bisa lihat guys. Kita mulai sekarang aja kali ya. Oke guys, kita mulai sekarang guys. Kita lihat siapa yang menang. Langsung mulai aja ya.
I'm sorry, but don't wanna talk. I need a moment before I go. It's nothing personal. I draw the blinds. They don't need to see me cry, 'cause even if they understand, they don't understand. So then when I'm finished, I'm all about my business and ready to save the world. I'm taking my misery, making my bitch can be everyone's favorite girl. So take aim and fly away. I've never been so wide awake. No, nobody but me can keep me safe, and I'm on my way. The black moon is on the rise, a fire burning in my eyes. No, nobody but me can keep me safe, and I'm on my way.
Lo siento mucho, pero me voy, porque a tu lado me di cuenta que nada soy. Y me cansé de luchar y de guerrear en vano, de estar en la línea de fuego y de meter la mano. Acepto mis errores, también soy humano, y tú no ves que lo hago porque te amo. Pero ya no tengo más nada que hacer aquí. Me voy, llegó la hora de partir de mi propio camino, seguir lejos de ti.
So take aim and fly away. I've never been so wide awake. No, nobody but me can keep me safe, and I'm on my way. The black moon is on the rise, a fire burning in my eyes. No, nobody but me can keep me safe, and I'm on my way.
Everybody, everybody, everybody.
So take aim and fly away. I've never been so wide awake. No, nobody but me can keep me safe, and I'm on my way. The black moon is on the rise, a fire burning in my eyes. No, nobody but me can keep me safe, and I'm on my way.
Your hands are green, tin eyes watching every.
Lily was a little girl, afraid of the big wide world. She grew up within her castle walls. Now and then she tried to run, and then on the night with the setting sun, she ran in the woods away, so afraid, alone. They wander, don't go there. There's creatures who are hiding in the dark. Then something came creeping. It told her, don't you worry, just follow everywhere I go. Top of all the mountains are valleys. She ran faster than start screaming. Is there someone out there? Please help me. Come get me behind her. She can hear say follow everywhere I go. Top over the mountains are valley low. Give you everything you've been dreaming of. Just let me everything you want and gonna be the magic story you'll be told, and you'll be safe under my control. Just let me
Oke guys, balik lagi sama saya. Tadi sorry ya guys, videonya terjeda berhubung tadi hujan ya. Jadi kita benar-benar nggak sanggup buat ngabisin ini semua. Lihat cuma segini, sisa segini loh, sisa segini guys. Jangan ditiru adegannya di rumah ya. Jangan lupa ditonton, jangan lupa ya sarananya, jangan lupa subrek di bawah ini. Jangan lupa like and comment guys. Oke, gaspol. Dah.